Moss is one of the biggest problems our lawns suffer from in the UK. Mosses are resilient, versatile, non-flowering plants, and left untreated will eventually choke out the grass completely. When we have cooler weather and regular rainfall all throughout the year, it can be a constant problem. There are a number of other factors that can cause moss, including shade, clay soil, poor drainage, excessive thatch, and grass left too long during winter. The list goes on. We control moss throughout the cooler seasons as part of our annual lawn treatment programme with our specially designed products. The best way to remove and control moss is scarifying and aerating on a regular basis. For more information on our services, head over to our website or follow us on social media.